Hello, everybody. Welcome back for our week 14 of PE. So, this week, as you know, it is a short week. So, we are only here Monday and Tuesday. So, this week for you, all grade levels, kindergarten through sixth grade, I have made a one activity for all of you to do called Thanksgiving Fun. At school, we are wrapping up our hockey unit with a game called Guard the Turkey, and the students are have to use the hockey skills that they've been learning, striking and playing defense to protect their turkey, which is going to be a bowling pin. Kindergarten is going to be working on just continuing to learn how to dribble and maintain control with their hockey stick. And then everyone else is going to try the guard the turkey activity with the hockey stick. So we are, for you guys, since you have pretty much wrapped up your hockey, participated in some Thanksgiving fun last week. And then this week is another activity with Thanksgiving fun. So I'm going to click on that in just a second and kind of go through what you have. So on this, your choices, right, are basically how can I stay physically fit? Click on your favorite food or picture and complete the activity. So you see on here, it's like our Thanksgiving table, lots of food choices, and then there are some various pictures that have to do with Thanksgiving. So you're going to click on the picture and then some type of activity or fitness is going to come up that you can compete in. So you're going to do that. So after you do that, then you would move on. And let's say now I want to click on one of the foods, maybe the green beans. And when I click on the green beans, now I'm going to play this active game called Soup Ninja. So you're going to do that and you're going to go through everything that's on here, completing those activities. And that's going to be your lesson for this week. So to remember, even though it is a special time and we have lots to be thankful for and have the opportunity to be with our family and friends, we are going to be eating a lot of variety of foods. So we need to keep in mind that we want to do some exercising whenever possible during this special time. So this setup will give you a chance to do some various activities that you can do inside. If you're not getting any activity outside during Thanksgiving, you'll always have this to come back and click on and do some type of activity inside. Next week, I will be back, and next week we will be doing well, not next week, but the week of November 30th, so the week after Thanksgiving, we will be doing our holiday shop. And if you've been with us before for the holiday shop, you know that we have so much fun shopping for friends and family and others. So you as e-learners are going to have the opportunity to come in and shop in the holiday shop as well. So your parents or you should be getting an email coming out sometime probably next week or early into the following week for a time that you can sign up to come in and shop our holiday shop. If you don't want to come in and shop for the holiday shop, you will also have an opportunity to shop virtually online. And so that information will be coming out to you as well. So look forward to that. Obviously, when we return from Thanksgiving break, I will have more information for you in your Bitmoji classroom for that following week while we are spending our time shopping and thinking of others during this special time. So I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. Um, Eat some good foods, some healthy foods. Remember moderation and remember to be thankful for the things that you have and the family and friends that you have. And I look forward to seeing you back after the Thanksgiving break. Bye. Have a great Thanksgiving.